Okay, as I mentioned before in a previous video, I was going to show you my actual converter adapters, some of that I purchased, and how they go with the back of the PC. So I'm going to show you the actual PC that I have, and one of them that I have. So if you're someone who's an expert, this video might be boring to you, because this is pretty much basic, maybe more like an amateur like myself. So just a warning. Okay, here are some of my adapters that I purchased, the ones that I showed you on the Amazon website, and I'll show you the kinds that I have. Okay, so what I have here, okay, it has the pin, so it's a male, and it's a DVI. And what type of DVI this is? It is this is a plus 24 plus 5. Okay, and the other end of it is actually a VGA. See that? And is it a male or a female? Well, it has the little hole, so it's a female VGA. Okay, and this one here, I like the long wire. That anyway, this one here is a male DVI. Okay, well, what kind of DVI is it? Well, is it a plus 5 or a plus 1? Well, this is the 24 plus 1. Okay, and the other end of it is an HDMI. I'm actually going to do a separate video about HDMI and display ports. Okay, and the other adapter I have here, let's see. Okay, this one, both ends are, see, so it has the pin, so that's a male. Okay, they're both males, and this is a VGA. Okay, typically they're mostly blue. I've seen some, I believe, a white one, but they're mostly blue. Okay, so let me show the back end of one of my PCs. Here we go. Okay, so, oops, sorry. Hold on. So if you look at the back of your PC, this one has the holes, and this is a DVI. The hole means it's a female. So what does that mean? I'm gonna have to buy a DVI that's a male. Okay, it has to have pins to fit into this female DVI. And what kind do I need? So it has the separate one here, the plus 1. So I'm gonna have to find a 24 plus 1 DVI. Okay, that is a male. I need something that has pins to fit into the little holes here. Now, so let me grab that. Okay, here you go. So this is the male. I'm gonna fit it into the female. Okay, you'll see it fits. See, it fits just right. Then you just, you know, screw it up, the top and the bottom, and here's the bottom here. Okay, so that should fit. Okay, there you go. Look at that, it fits. Now let's look at this one here. This is a VGA, and it has little holes, so it's a female. Now I need a male VGA, which I do. I showed you earlier, which is this. Okay, and it should fit. Okay, right there. Okay, so you're gonna look at the other end of each of this converter adapters you have. And you're going to have to make sure that the other end will fit to whatever you're going to connect it to a monitor. So you're going to look at the monitor and see if your monitor has the end that matches with the back of this, the other end of the, see? So you better make sure that the back of your monitor also has the female, because what I have here is a male VGA. You're gonna have to make sure it has a female VGA in the back. Okay, that's it for now. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe. Watch out for my next video about the HDMI and display port. Bye for now.